everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make an easy spinach artichoke pull-apart bread recipe. To get started, we have to prep a couple things first. Grate half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Roughly chop 5 ounces of spinach. And chop 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. Now I'm finally chopping a 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts. Be sure to squeeze out any extra water. And finely mince 2 garlic cloves. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to a pan on medium heat. Add the garlic and cook for a minute, then add the chopped spinach. Cook this until the spinach has wilted. You can also use frozen cooked spinach. Add the cooked spinach to a bowl along with 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, the chopped artichokes, a 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese, and a 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. Mix until everything is combined. Then season for salt and pepper. Now take any round loaf of bread and using a serrated knife, cut vertical and horizontal slits roughly 1.5 inches apart across the bread. And stop before slicing all the way through the bottom. We have a video on how to make this artisan style bread. It'll be linked in the description box below. Put the spinach artichoke dip into a piping bag and cut the tip. I think this is the easiest, least messy way to add the dip to the spaces, but you can use a spoon too. Keep going until every space is filled with the dip. Mix a 1/4 cup of parmesan and a 1/4 cup of mozzarella and add it on top of the dip. Place the loaf on any kind of baking pan, then add the fresh parsley to 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Brush the top of the bread with the butter and save a little to brush out of the oven. Cover the bread with a piece of foil and bake in a 350 Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the foil and bake for another 10 to 20 minutes or until the top is crispy and browned. Brush with the rest of the butter and that's it! This pull-apart bread is so good. I highly recommend you make my recipe on artisan style bread because the top will be crispy and that's the best part. It's unreal. You won't be able to stop eating it. You're likely not to have any leftovers, but if you do, you can store this in the fridge and reheat in the oven to get the top crispy again. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!